Welcome back to another 360 walk with my ma. There's my ma. And we're back. Can you tell where we are? Of course, you know by the title. Right. All right. Let's go take a look. First, I'm going to throw you over the edge here. Alright, let's go catch up to Ma. Hey, Ma.
I took a picture of the tree.
Yep. Oh, here they come, Mom.
They're coming to get you.
Yep, the squirrels, they think you're nuts.
Looks like they're planning to plant out these things in between.
Yep.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Okay, how are you? That is one long selfie stick. Yep, it's an everybody stick, not a selfie stick.
The waterfall isn't working.
Nope.
Haven't turned it on yet. Means we have to come back again.
One day they'll turn it on for us.
I'm going down here for a minute.
All right, see you later.
Yeah, this spot for sure. I think she would like that too. Or how do you go college? Dogwood, or is it already? I'm back. What am I leaving my door?
Hello.
Oh yeah. No. No thanks. That's fun. It's a good way to get in there, right?
Yeah, without
Take a
actually,
peek, top view.
Without actually...
Without going on the turf so I don't have to scream.
Yeah, exactly.
That's awesome. Yeah, I don't know. This is like a pretty fun corner, but to have an anchor, like you said, like a maple across from could be kind of cool. Because there's the one on the bridge, right? Yeah.
Okay, let me know if you think of any other spots.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to that bed. Now, how many are there? There are a total of 5. Okay.
Like that. Come down.
In between stage, I think,
Yep.
where they haven't planted the annuals yet.
Nope. That's what they were just talking about.
The tulips are almost finished. We got lots of pansies in. I haven't seen hardly any rhododendron. So I thought we'd see ferns. Should we go this way or that
Sure.
way?
Either way is fine.
Look at the vine.
Did you see this one?
They're pansies and I don't know what's behind it, but the yellow you mean?
Well, you got, no, the velvet sort of,
Yeah, those are pansies. The purple?
yeah, and then you got the tulip over here.
Yeah.
That's quite a selfie stick.
It's an everybody stick. See, I can get right in there. Nobody can yell at me. There's a view that most people will never get, right?
Right? That's awesome.
Without actually damaging anything you've done.
Exactly. Win-win.
I agree.
Hey, Brayden, if you wanted to turn to go top that path that you're on. Yeah?
You're
Okay.
already on it.
I am?
Yeah.
Great.
It's a 360 camera. It catches everything.
Where is that?
It's a rhododendron.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
The leaves look like yellow, but the flowers look a little different.
There's just so many darn varieties.
Yeah, there really are, eh? And different colors, but different shapes too.
Yeah, I've heard somewhere in the range of about 4,000 cultivated varieties.
Really?
Yeah.
I think Vancouver's the rhododendron capital of the world.
It must be. I would agree with you.
Would you? It's amazing. I've never seen so many. That's a flowering dogwood?
No, this is actually called a It's a dovetail tree or peace tree.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, the flowers are a little different.
Some people refer to it as a handkerchief tree.
Okay,
Yeah.
I get that.
It's only about 2 weeks if you're lucky.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't last so long.
So 2 weeks and then it's gone till next year.
That's pretty much it, yeah. Well, at least the foliage just stay, but the white bracts will.
Right. Amazing, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait for you because we want to do a photo.
Oh, you do, huh? Okay. I wonder why. It's not a photo spot.
I love the roadies, eh?
Yeah.
The poppies are starting.
What was that, Mom?
The poppies,
Yeah, what about?
they're just starting. There's a lot of variety of those too. And the bulbs are just about done. So now we can celebrate. We got to see the handkerchief tree.
Yep.
Only 2 weeks blooming in the year.
Mom's living dangerously on the rocks.
That's nice.
Thank you. Back to where we started.
Should we go back up?
It's up to you.
Might as well. Look at that view. It's beautiful. Mountain still has snow.
Hey guys, well, that was Queen Elizabeth. So I hope you enjoyed that. Maud, did you enjoy that?
I loved it, and we'll be back
Why will we be back?
to show the next phase of the park when they plant different flowers.
Because we were here earlier, so check out that video earlier and you'll see how it's come along. And the next one will even be more flowers.
Exactly.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I guess we will see you in the next one.
See you soon.
Bye. Like, you're still watching?